Welcome to exploration of the parts of Indian Constitution, a sympathy of principles, rights and governance that shapes the world's largest democracy. The Constitution of India is divided into several parts, each addressing different aspects of nation's governance and rights. Let's start learning today our Indian Constitution. Part 1 Title Union and its Territory encompasses Articles 1 to 4 and provides an understanding of the formation and territory of Indian Union. Part 2 covered in Articles 5 to 11 defines the principles and criteria for acquiring and losing Indian citizenship. Part 3 known as Fundamental Rights elaborated in Article 12 to 35 guarantees the essential liberties and protections for every citizen. Part 4 delves into directive principles of state policy, detailed in Article 36 to 51, outlining the goals and guidelines for the governance in achieving a just and equitable society. Part 4A establishes fundamental duties of citizens mentioned in Article 51A, which emphasizes the responsibilities individuals have towards the nation. Part 5 The Union specified in Article 52 to 151 focuses on the President, the Vice President and other executive positions within the Union government. Part 6 The States described in Article 152 to 237 deals with the organization and functioning of the state's government. Part 7 is repealed by 7th Amendment Act 1956. Part 8 concerns the Union territories covered by Article 239 to 244 explaining the governance and administration of Union territories. Part 9 addresses the panchayats from Article 243 to 243O. Part 9A discusses the municipalities from Articles 243P to 243ZG, and Part 9B highlights the cooperative societies from Articles 243ZH to 243ZT. Part 10 Schedules and Tribal Areas, detailed in Article 244 to 244A, focuses on special provisions for the administrations and welfare of scheduled tribes and tribal areas. Part 11 Relationship between Union and States, covered by Article 245 to 263, delineates the distribution of powers and responsibilities between the central government and the states. Part Part 12 encompasses the finance, property, contracts and suits under Article 264 to 300A, providing guidelines on financial matters and legal proceedings. Part 13 Trade, Commerce and Intercourse within the territory of India, mentioned in Article 301 to 307, ensures the free flow of trade and commerce within the territory. Part 14 discusses services under the Union and States under Article 308 to 323, highlighting the provisions relating to public services. Part 14A establishes the tribunals under Article 323A to 323B, which provides for the adjudication of disputes in specialized area. Part 15 Elections, detailed in Article 324 to 329A, deals with the conduct of elections in India. Part 16 addresses the special provisions related to certain classes under Article 330 to 342, outlining reserved seats and provisions for specific communities. Part 17 Official language discussed in Article 343 to 351 recognizes the languages used in India for official purposes. Part 18 covers emergency provisions under Article 352 to 360, enabling the government to tackle exceptional situations. Part 19 Miscellaneous covered under Article 361 to 367 includes various provisions and exceptions. Part 20 focuses on the amendment of the constitutions under Article 368, outlining the process and limitations of making changes to the constitution. Part 21 addresses temporary, transitional, and special provisions under Article 369 to 392, providing for these specific situation and transitional arrangements. Finally, Part 22, detailed in an Article 393 to 395, covers the short title commencement, authoritative text in Hindi, and ripples, providing administrative and procedure details regarding the Constitution. Thank you.